In this list leverage video, I want to show you how easy it is to earn $1,000 a day with list leverage. It is so ridiculously easy, it's just not true. Many people that come into list leverage fail to grasp how easy it is, but I'm going to show you just how easy that is to do. First of all, what you want to do is you want to go to your dashboard area, which is what we're on here, and then you'll need to go to your fast start, and that will effectively take you to where you need to be. Now, my account's obviously already set up, so what you'll need to do is follow these through here. Steps 1, 2, 3, and 4. And on the way through these, you'll be offered the opportunity to become either a beginner affiliate or you'll be offered the chance to become a super affiliate. Now, a beginner affiliate means that you get access to the Millionaire Mastermind, which is not on here because I'm a super affiliate. So I have that already inclusive. But if you are a beginner, what you'll then do is you'll get access to Millionaire Mastermind, and that then means that you can earn yourself $20 commission on or $24 commission, I do beg your pardon, for every sale of Millionaire Mastermind that you get, which is brilliant. No worries with that whatsoever. However, what will be the case is that if you're like me and dipped your toe in the water, as I did do, then when you promote this leverage out, you'll find that it builds your list stupidly easy. I'll come on to that in a second. So what you need to do, as you're following this through here, is you need to click on in the box which says become a super affiliate. Now, it's $398 for the year, but when you do that, it then allows you to make $200 in commission from everybody that follows your path through. So that's where you make your $200 in your commissions from everyone that follows your path through. You only need to have 6 people initially, so that you can then 6 times 200 gives you a total of $1,200 in commission, which is payable into your e-wallet, which is all set up for you as you go through here. And then that will then be payable to you once a week on a Friday from List Leverage direct to your bank. So it's effectively like having an online JOB. So that's when you get your $200 per person who goes super affiliate, and that's how you can earn your $1,200 per day from the List Leverage, just from the super affiliate alone, and that's how that works. Now, you might say to yourself, okay, it's very easy, you're telling me how that works. Let me see proof that it actually does work. So if we come to the marketing section here, what you'll find is that you've got your leads and everything else like that. Let's go to the leads and the lead boards. There's the leads that you get coming in. Come on to that in just a second. This is the leaderboards. Now, this is where people that have been following exactly what I've been explaining to you to do, this is what they do. These are the leaderboards, all-time top earners. And all they have done is shared this with 6 people as a minimum per day. And let's look at the all-time earnings as to whether it actually proves. Now, look at this. This is from List Leverage alone. And on here, you can see that people are earning 129,000 is the top earner. We have another one earning 76,000, just under $400. Another one earning just under 50,000. And these are all the top earners. And all they've done is shown people how to earn money online through the List Leverage system. That's about as simple as it gets. Okay? Hopefully that's been of use. If you want to get your own List Leverage account, I will show you how the leads work. There's other videos on my channel that show you how easy the leads are to work. But that's how you can earn your $1,200 or $1,000 per day from List Leverage. Thanks for watching it. Don't forget to hit the bell button, hit the like button, and to comment on it as well. Thanks for watching.